Hello guys, what's up? So this is Techno HD and back with another video on my channel, and today in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Skullcandy Crusher Wireless headphones. So these are very great headphones with some immersive bass and good sound quality. So without any further ado, let's get started.
You are listening to Extreme Bass Booster.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide. No. As the night draws near, we are animals of fear. Feels so cold inside my head. And as the sun comes up, we are always out of luck. There's no room for us here. It's a cold burning love.
The first impression of these headphones was pretty impressive, and luckily the headphones come with a waterproof carrying case, which is great for portability and keeping them durable over time. You can see the branding here by Skullcandy on the top of this waterproof carrying case. Keep in mind that these are designed for basic protection and won't prevent things like shock or dust. So what I recommend you to do is to get a hard shell so that your headphones will stay in top condition. Inside we have the actual headphones. As you can see, they are foldable, which is good considering how big they are. First impressions I get from these headphones is that they have a nice solid feel with soft cushion ear cups. They are also quite flexible for adjusting to bigger head shapes. Actual price of these headphones is 13,000 rupees. There is a super thick adjustable metal headband and the plastic feels tough, which gives you the confidence in handling them as they're designed for durability. The headphones feel slightly heavier than other brands like Bose or Sennheiser, but it just takes time getting used to when wearing. The clamping force can be overpowering as you can feel slight pressure, but after wearing them for a while you can easily adjust to this. The force provides the headphone with stability so that it gives you maximum hold at the time of doing physical activities. The thick ear cup is what gives them the depth to allow some distance between your ears and the driver, so that they aren't rubbing against your ears. The ear cups are made from memory foam, which adjusts to your ear shape, making them more comfortable and not giving you any pain. Only mild drawback is that if you wear them for a really long time, they can heat up. As for the controls, there are few buttons which makes it very simple. You have an up or down control on the right ear cup and a power button in the middle. You also have a haptic slider, which is a feature on the left ear cup to control the bass. Now let's have a look at the specs and features. First feature is the Bluetooth connection, which allows you to play sound wirelessly. The connection to your device is fast and the sound playing wireless is clear. Second, you have a 40 hours of battery life, which is really good. Most headphones today last anywhere between 20 to 30 hours. So this easily trumps over a lot of the existing wireless headphones. You also have a quick charge feature. So if you charge it for just 10 minutes, you have a 3 hours of playback time. So you can wear these for hours as you don't have to charge it much. Earlier on, I mentioned the haptic bass feature on the left ear cup. This slider allows you to increase the bass to an insane level. The first time I tried it, honestly didn't expect it to be anything like this. I mean, the only way to describe this is imagine standing next to a huge subwoofer and putting your ears right next to it. It's that loud. If you're a bass head, then I'm telling you, you won't find anything like this. Because of the over-ear design, you get a passive noise cancellation which will block out a lot of noise. But it's nothing compared to the active noise cancellation feature. So if you are into the ANC market, then this is not a pair of headphones for you. Although there's no ANC, this is the best noise cancelling headphones that you will get compared to a lot of other on-ear headphones. So the features get a 9 on 10 from me. Now let's move on the sound without the bass haptic feature. Without the bass haptic feature, the audio separation is still good and has a good frequency balance, which allows you to hear the music as intended. However, If you really want to crank up the bass, then you can just adjust the slider. Music like hip hop, EDM, rap and dubstep will really show you how powerful the bass is with the slider turned up. Overall, the bass is amazing and the vocals are loud. We tested these headphones while watching Sacred Games on Netflix, with each dialogue being clear and crisp. This really is for the bass heads and those who enjoy the punchiness and the energetic sounds. The bass really shines when playing games or watching movies. While watching movies and series especially, it feels like you have the surround sound or you're watching it in IMAX. These pairs of headphones are very niche specific, so it's not for everyone. Me personally though, have enjoyed these and I think these are the best bass headphones that you can get on the market for its price.
So bro,
Yes, bro.
so
What's up, Kaisa?
hello guys, so this is my best friend Abhyuday Singh and he's in my tuition, and last day I saw his headphones and I wanted to review this, and he is a great guy and he let me review his headphones. So now I just wanted you Abhyuday to say a little about these Skullcandy headphones and what do you think, how are they and what is your opinion?
First off, these are the world's like the best under 20k headphones made by a company ever, with the best, most impressive punchy bass that immerses you in the sound, and that is the main reason I bought these, and much more 100% more preferable than AirPods or anything in their budget segment.
Okay, so basically these are the best you can buy under 20,000 in the market. Yeah?
Exactly.
Okay. So now what is your opinion about the sound quality of these headphones?
It's too good. The sound quality is actually too good. It's impressive.
Does it beat the Bose headphones?
Yes, if you know, that's the best. The flagships of the Bose headphones, it cannot beat that quality, but the bass, of course, it beats those.
Okay.
In the normal starting Bose headphones, it beats their quality.
Okay.
And the plus point is, if your phone has a Dolby Atmos app inside of the phone, it works even better.
Okay. So basically these are the best. And if you recommend people buying these headphones, so you will recommend it buying from any online site or from the retailer shop?
Go to the direct retailer in malls, the direct factory outlets. They give an impressive discount.
Okay. So you were telling me about bit discount you got on this headphone. So
Exactly.
what was that?
I got a 3,000 discount because I bought it from a the factory outlet.
Okay. So where it is?
It's in the DLF mall.
Okay. Okay. So how much it was, like the actual
It
price
was
of this is
the actual
13,000.
price is 13,000 rupees.
Okay.
I got it for 10,000 only.
Okay. So that's an impressive discount, as you can see.
And you get 3 months of YouTube Music free.
Oh, so that's also good. So overall, you say these headphones are best buy in 2019.
Exactly.
Okay. So at that we end this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for sure check my friend's Instagram. It would be in the description, and go and follow him. He posts very good photos, and you would be enjoying if you are in his company.
Subscribe for more.
Thanks bro. Peace out.